Hello everyone. Let's start with the next topic of brand equity, or in continuation with brand equity, as we have already done in the previous slide, previous PPT about brand equity and their models and the steps of strategies related to brand equity in the fifth unit of product and brand management. Let's start with the next continuation with this the same topic. Brand equity, the brand equity, as we have already discussed, that is it is related to somehow with assets and liabilities associating with the brand. Whatever the brand is going to earn in the market, that will be related to the brand equity. Now, whatever the equity is being generated by a brand, that is going to tell us about the market value of the brand and the with what type of image the market brand has been having in the market. There a particular brand equity can be built, can be measured, and can be managed. Like how the company can build a brand equity, how the brand equity can be measured in a company, and how it can be managed by the company so that it will give goodwill for the company. Let's start with building brand equity. A brand equity can be built by the measurement of the three things. That is brand elements. What are the elements of the brand? Those are being going to generate a market value in the for the product in the market. Second is secondary association. Whatever the association does the company is been having with themselves for their products or for their particular companies benefit, so that the other people are been recognizing them on the basis of these secondary associations, as well as the marketing activities like promotion activities, channel related activities, whatever the company is going to do for the brand, so that again a particular brand equity can be built or on the basis of these particular factors. Now starting